Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Gmail calls on your PC after the recent update, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve these problems quickly. Let's dive right in. First, try closing your browser and reopening it. This simple action can often clear up minor glitches that may be affecting your calls. If that doesn't work, the next step is to end the current call and call back. Sometimes, a fresh connection can solve lingering issues. Next, make sure you enter the chat you want to use for your call. Once you're in the chat, look for the camera icon and click on it to enable video if needed. This step is essential for ensuring that your video settings are correctly configured. Now, let's check your internet connection. From the notifications area on your PC, click on the network icon to see if there are any connectivity issues. If your network seems unstable, consider switching to a different one if possible. If you still face problems, try refreshing the Gmail webpage. Simply click on the refresh icon at the top left of your browser. This action can help reload the page and fix temporary issues. Sometimes, a quick restart of your device can do wonders. To do this, press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. Another effective solution is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser. Select Delete Browsing Data, and ensure that all options are checked with the time range set to all time before clicking on Delete Data. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any Gmail call issues on your PC effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.